Looking for a larger, newer home on a larger lot located centrally here in the Palm Springs area? Hi, Neil here with fellow Palm Springs area realtor Kim Block, and we're standing outside the gated community of Victoria Falls in Rancho Mirage. And today, Kim and I are going to take you on an inside tour of Victoria Falls.
The Victoria Falls community is located at the intersection of Gerald Ford and Monterey in Rancho Mirage. It's a community of single-family homes ranging in size from about 2,600 square feet up to 5,400 square feet.
It's a neighborhood of single-story and two-story homes. Most of these homes were built between 1998 and 2004. They are perfect for entertaining. Most of them have large kitchens, formal dining rooms, large family rooms, and some of these homes even have casitas.
HOA monthly fees are low compared to other neighborhoods, and lighted tennis courts, basketball courts, and cable TV are included.
Victoria Falls is a non-golf course community. However, we're located right next door to Mission Hills, and residents can go from Victoria Falls through the back gate right into Mission Hills. And you get special rates if you live here in Victoria Falls at the Westin in Rancho Mirage.
These homes' architectural styles range from early California to Mediterranean.
Most homes have attached garages. Some have golf cart garages, and most of them have swimming pools and spas. Most are on large lots with large backyards.
The community is gated, and the HOA fees cover common area maintenance. There is no clubhouse or fitness center.
The smaller homes all have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. While the largest home is the Emperor floor plan, it has 5 bedrooms and 6 baths.
Let's take a look at some of the homes here for sale in Victoria Falls.
As of this recording in January 2020, 16 Trafalgar is listed by Mickey Elliott of Benyon DeVille for $649,000.
It's a one-story remodeled Duchess plan with a detached casitas. It has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
Yes, and this home is 3332 square feet, and it has 2 fireplaces, one in the living room and one in the family room.
The kitchen has granite countertops with a tile backsplash and updated stainless steel appliances.
The bathrooms have been updated with frameless shower doors and quartz countertops.
The backyard is private and it features a heated pool and spa.
Now let's check out 7 Buckingham Way. This is a princess model. It has 4 bedrooms and 4 baths.
As of this recording in January 2020, it's currently listed for sale by Nilo Shams of Pacific Sotheby's International Realty for $720,000.
The princess model has a desirable great room floor plan.
And this home features a gourmet kitchen with upgraded stainless appliances and granite countertops.
This home has a large living room, a dining room, and a family room just off the kitchen.
And this home sits on a larger size lot than most in this development and has a great view.
And you'll notice the pool is in the shape of a piano. That's because it's the former home of Bill Marks, who's a local composer, songwriter, and writer, and also the son of Harpo Marx of the Marx Brothers.
And this home has leased solar.
Now let's check out 8 Queens Court. As of January 2020, it's listed for sale by realtor Janice Glabe of Benyon DeVille for $865,000.
This is a recently updated Emperor model, which is the largest floor plan here at Victoria Falls.
Yes, and the nearly 1/4 acre lot is one of the largest in the Victoria Falls community.
The home has a grand foyer that goes into the great room with large vaulted ceilings.
This home has a wide open floor plan with a large gourmet kitchen, dining area, and a breakfast bar.
And it has a large master on the main level with 2 walk-in closets.
The second ensuite bedroom is on the main floor, and there are 3 more bedrooms upstairs.
And the backyard features a pool, spa, and lots of yard space.
Now, let's take a look at some of the nearby shopping. Just across from the main entrance of Victoria Falls is a shopping center, and Gelson's is the main grocery store in the shopping center.
And nearby is the Children's Discovery Museum of the Desert.
And close by is the Agua Caliente Casino and Sunnylands.
And you are also close to the Eisenhower Hospital, shopping and dining at the river.
Yes, it's a great location, and it's close by to both Palm Springs and Palm Desert.
We hope you enjoyed our tour of Victoria Falls and Rancho Mirage.
If you'd like more information about any of the homes that are for sale in Victoria Falls, Kim and I can both help you with that. All of our contact information is below. And if you'd like to see more videos about the Palm Springs area and Palm Springs real estate, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you know when the next video is available. And you may like these videos also. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.